was gonna say like bowl. This is the pot we use. Oh my god, be quiet.
Noodles.
I was asking her, like, hey, where's your stash? Because at first she kept it in her cabinet. And I was like, hey, where's your stash? Because she's hiding it from me now. Like, I don't steal from your stash anyways. But she was like, down in my room and I'll get it from her. I was like, oh, she's actually hiding it from me. Hey, can't be doing that. You don't like go first the series. Oh my gosh. Let me show you my chopsticks. My mom just asked me to make her some noodles in the smaller pot, but we're using the smaller pot. It's okay, just make one after. I don't feel like 3 minutes. Yeah, I look minutes. I'm 3. I said what minutes? Ew. What did you rate the movie? So that's actually kind of sick, but it's still kind of hard though.
Then just let it like
Yeah.
simmer.
Let it simmer. And then I'll be prepared. Are you okay with extra cheese?
Yes. Why did you sit separate? Happy. Oh wait, no, it's not Pride Month anymore. I was gonna say Happy Pride Month. Happy. Destiny. Destiny. Destiny.
Shout out to you, Destiny.
I love you.
I heard good music. I like actually love music. What you want to play? Oh, so good. Yeah, I like that. Oh, nice. No, try to play something. I know. It's not bad. Okay, wait, I can hold that. You try it.
Still a little.
I know. Maybe a little longer.
There would be like kind of like a little flavor, even if like we didn't put anything on it.
That's just flour and egg.
That's weird.
You're weird.
I don't know where it is. There's like this one place. Oh, Texas Roadhouse.
I'm a bread lover. I love bread.
Me too, I love bread. Oh my god, that's literally why I bake bread. Like, I want to make. Ooh, I want to bake something. I want to bake.
That's a little soft. Wait,
Okay, I think that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, now we drain it.
Dude, this is
Skillfully? Skillfully? Oh no. Get back here. Get back here. Get back to work. Oh no. Where is it?
I think with garlic salt on my phone.
Why are we? Oh, it's not the same, but I want that too.
Oh my god. I got one from Donkey, the garlic chili crunch. Oh my god, you should get the one from Donkey. It's so
I think we got it. God. Wait.
like there's with mac and cheese, like Kraft mac and cheese, like with those cups. I put sour cream, cheese, and garlic chili crunch.
Oh god.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Gourmet.
Let me show you.
Yummy.
Put it in a bowl or like?
Probably in a bowl.
Oh, okay.
My best friend's baby shower, like they had like little honey jars that came.
Really? Oh my god, this is actually really cheesy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I like shitting myself.
You can have the big bowl.
Okay.
It's wafting, not leafing. Ma'am, sir?
Oh.
Ma'am, sir?
I'm wafting it.
Okay. Okay.
So here's the finished product. Anyways.
What the heck? Why can't I record it?
Freaky.
I think it's my storage. I used up like 250.
In the autistic thing, his mom gives him like food on Instagram, and then he's like making a whole like sexual dialogue about the food. It's like,
Can you show me?
I'll show you. It's so funny, bro.
Okay, guys. We got our food.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's creamy. Also the spice guys.
You smell a little spicy.
Wow.
Exactly. Remember she got an egg?
Ooh. Maybe I trauma blocked that out.
Real.
Real. Your tongue? It's starting to hurt. Your mind's been hurting. Dude, I didn't think it would be that. Did you hear my burp? Yeah. Really?
Yeah. I'm actually tearing up. I don't know.
It's like dairy today. You want like boba?
I know.
Why is that so small for a pizza?
Oh, no, babe.
Dude. That's gotta be like my top, like my best. I don't know why.
What do you think called it?
You don't like cauliflower?
Oh, no, it's good. It just tastes like nothing.
Yeah, it's actually very flavorful. It really is. I don't know.